Hello everyone! So today I have got you this beautiful subtle green smoky eye look. I have gone super soft on the colors, but I feel that this look has turned out so cute, so nice. I would love to show you how it's done. If you want to know how it is done, please keep on watching. So I'm going to be starting with prepping my eyes. I'm going to be using this eye base. This is the NYX concealer. I'm using the color Shy from Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette just all over my eyelid and my crease. Now I'm using this Calavera from the Full Spectrum Urban Decay palette just on the crease. Now I'm taking this color Gossip from the same Full Spectrum palette, again all over my eyelid. Now I'm using a fluffy brush just to kind of pat on more and more color to increase the intensity. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush to just sort of blend it all out. Just taking a flat brush to use that deep pink color. You can pick up any color, any pink color that you may have. I am just patting more and more color on my eyelid because I want it to be darker than it was. Again, I'm going to be picking up my fluffy brush to just blend all the edges out. Now I'm using the color Cargo from my Be Perfect Stacey Marie palette. I'm just using the same color all over my eyelid, being very liberal with it because I want the color to sort of really show through. So this is a seriously beautiful color. You want to go all out with it. Now after I'm done doing that, I'm again going with my blending brush and blending all the edges out. We don't want any harsh lines because that really kills the look. And that, my friends, is the final look. I have done my base off camera because the drill is exactly the same as my first video. You can go back and check out how I did my base back there. I have just completed everything exactly as I've done there. I am so happy, so proud of what this whole look has turned out to be like, and you just need to go very nice on the blending for the eyes and for the face, and you can totally achieve this look. I really hope you liked my video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.